Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Site. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to this script I'm reading from this video description. Today I will talk to you about Tomioka Silk Mill. And this video is the last in this series of Japanese beautiful sites. Tomioka Silk Mill is Japan's first large government-run scale factory, a silk factory located in Gunma Prefecture. It was built in 1972 as a part of the Japan's effort to modernize the modernize the country. The Meiji government wanted to improve silk production using a Western technology which helped Japan grow its silk industry. At the time, silk was an important export for Japan, and Tomioka Silk Mill played a key role in improving in the quality and quantity of silk. A French engineer named Paul Brand was invented to teach Japanese workers how to use the latest machines. Thanks to this, Japanese silk became highly valued in the world market and helped Japanese economy grow. The factory also employed many women and provided them with education and training. These women, known as factory girls, worked in difficult conditions but learned important skills. This helped improve the social states of women in Japan. In 2014, Tomioka Silk Mill was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List. This shows that the mill is recognized as an important culture site that represents Japanese history of the modernization. When people visit Tomioka Silk Mill, they can learn about how to Japan development through the silk industry. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching this series. Starting next week, I will be introducing a famous place in Osaka. See you again next week. Bye bye.